Hey everyone, how's everyone going? Hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you what are the best side hustle that you can do and potentially be able to quit your job. So make sure you stay all the way till the end, because the last one I'll be sharing with you is my personal favorite, and I believe anyone can do the last one and the other ones that I also be sharing with you. And this is like really beginner friendly, and if you get focused in these methods, you will have the potential or possibility to quit your job, right? That's the end goal that everyone wants, to be able to quit their job, right? So make sure you stay all the way till the end, as I'll be sharing with you a lot of information, right? So the first one that I wanted to share with you is YouTube automation. And I'll tell you one thing, it's not just you going to be earning from your AdSense revenue, which is like really awesome, but the way I actually look at this is just a starting point. Most of the time people just start a YouTube channel and they actually just stop with the YouTube AdSense revenue, which is good. But what happens if something happens, in your channel, and you have, 5 or 6,000 coming in your channel every single month? What happens if the channel gets deleted or terminated, or you have a copyright strike on the channel? Like, what's gonna happen? So the way I like to build a YouTube channel is to have multiple streams of income through the YouTube channel, right? My very personal best is doing affiliate marketing through YouTube automation channels, right? And in the previous videos I've shared with you the methods that I actually do to actually build up my another business model using my YouTube automation channels. And the methods really works, right? So you might have affiliate commissions coming through your YouTube channels, you might have like sponsorship, you might have like a brand deals, and that way you can also sell your own personal services or whatever things that you want to promote, right? So I'd say don't just stop with your YouTube automation AdSense revenue. That's just a starting point, but you want to be earning multiple streams of income through your YouTube channel. And don't just stop with one channel. The more channels that you have, the better chances you have of getting like multiple streams of income, right? That's our end goal, like to have as much income streams coming into our bank account without us doing much of the hard work, right? We have to do the smart work, right? So YouTube automation is my number one thing, and it's like really easy to grow YouTube channels. It might take you close to about 3 or even 6 months just to get traction on your channel, but once you have traction on your channel, it's like really hard for you to get out of that algorithm. But keep that in mind that once the channel gets in the algorithm, it's just all about quality content, right? So if you're posting maybe 3 or 4 videos a week, you can cut down to about 1 video a week or even 1 video a month and still get the same amount of traction, right? So it's all about quality content always beats quantity, right? So always keep that in mind, right? So number one is YouTube automation, but with YouTube automation you can also build multiple streams of income, which can allow you to be able to potentially quit your job. Number second one is on the list is the 72-hour challenge, right? This is my second favorite, right? 72-hour challenge, what it is, it's a affiliate marketing business, right? So there's a successful online entrepreneur, and he created the system together with another successful online entrepreneur, and they created the system for everyday people who actually haven't made any money online. They can literally get started with this system for as little as $9, right? I said that right. $9 you can actually get this system started. Plug into the system and you can start earning income from this amazing system, right? And you have different tier systems. System pays you 70% commission, and you have the potential to be earning $750 from just a $9 investment, which is just unheard of. Most of the time you need to spend a lot of money on affiliate programs to get to earn that amount of commissions, and I have personally done that, right? A last company that I actually joined, not last one, but the first one that I actually joined, I spent a lot of money in that company and actually got no support, no help. I did a review on that company, right? I don't recommend anyone to go to that company. I'm not going to say any names, right? And you want to find a program that you actually trust and you know the creators of it. I personally know the creators of this system who actually created this, and I personally like them. That's the reason I'm promoting their system. And I believe anyone who wants to quit their job, this system is going to be a good starting point for a complete beginner, right? It says in here, no tech skills or experience needed, right? As a complete beginner, you can use this system and start to earn that commissions, right, coming in. And we have like different strategies how you can get results with this system. There's like amazing methods that he's actually teaching the students inside, right? So $100,000 per year, that's like recurring commission you can earn, right? Which is just awesome. So this is my second one, and the last one I'm going to be sharing with you is, this is my personal favorite, and it's great that I found this system, is the all-in-one business model, right? I personally know the creators of this system, really awesome creators, right? Mike and Paul. And the reason they created this particular system is they actually got sick and tired of the company as it was going, the industry, right? They used to start a company and those industry just used to go bankrupt, right? Or even change their compensation plans, right? So they didn't actually like how he was actually going. So they came together and they built their own system, which is called the all-in-one business model. And they also feed the starving kids all around the world, and just gives me tears, you know, like I'm doing something good for this company, and I can know that I'm also doing something good for the community as well, right? I'm donating, you know, for other people to have a better life, the life that, you know, they only dream about, which I can be able to provide them. So far the company has paid out 4.4 million, right? And awesome company. I've been with this system for about 7 months. I'm loving every bit of it. I've done a video about it in my previous videos, right? You can go and watch it. But just one sale per week can turn into, you know, just potential of it. One sale can turn into 74,000. 2 sale can turn into 149,000. 3 sale can turn into 224,000. And all the rich and successful people always talk about to be able to build a residual ongoing income streams, right? You're just not relying on your YouTube channel. We have YouTube automation, YouTube training built into this system, and we have a lot of other things that we can do. Just using this system, we can be able to learn how online, how money is actually made online, right? So this was like a thing that I actually didn't know about, and thank God that I found this system, because now it might be realize the potential of online business, right? Where I can actually go, how many people you can actually target, and all these amazing things which I actually learned from this one amazing system, the all-in-one business model, right? And the company gives out a lot of bonus. I haven't seen anywhere this amount of knowledge, this amount of support, this amount of bonus. I haven't seen anywhere else, right? And I've been in the online space for a very long time, and I did a lot of due diligence before finding the system too, right? So don't get me wrong, I've done all the things that you have questions about. I have done the due diligence, and when I actually found that this is it, I jumped with both of my feet and my hands, and I'm loving every bit of it, right? So in size here, we provided $255,000 worth of meals to starving kids around the world, which is just, I just love reading this every day because this number is increasing every single day, and it just gives me more inspiration to be able to put the message out there, because I also came from a very poor background, right? And I remember some days I used to go to bed without even eating. I just used to drink a lot of water. And you know, the times that I had, I don't wish upon anyone. I don't wish that upon you. I don't wish that upon on my kids, you know, like it was like tough and difficult times that I actually went through. And just to be able to now be able to support kids who actually don't have meals, you know, it just gives me so much joy, you know. So those are the three business model which I actually love, and I'm actually personally doing those. And I think anyone who actually has a desire to be able to quit their job, I think this is the best part for them to go out and to be able to quit their job, learn all the skills, and to be able to live the life of complete freedom and joy. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and also on the screen there's going to be a video just popping up now, so make sure you click and watch it. It's all about how you can actually turn $0 into $120,000 or $100,000 using the system that I'm going to be sharing with you in that video. So make sure you click that, and I'll talk to you in the next one. God bless you, and bye for now.